I take wins, I take losses, I take break evens just like anyone else. And if I want to pass this challenge, I need to focus on the process. So I just got an entry for my challenges right here. For one, actually, for my funded FX on a 1 minute right here. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So this challenge trade right here that I took ended up being a loss right here. It is what it is. I'm not looking at this area no more because, you know, now it can potentially just move sideways. It was just a one and done thing right here. If I just show y'all, if I look at it, where do I go to history? Close trade right here. Alright, what's up y'all? I got an entry for my challenge right here. I'm gonna manage it accordingly. Same rules at each time. 1-to-1 break even. Entry for my challenge right here. I'm gonna manage it accordingly. Same rules at each time. 1-to-1 break even, which is at, so I'm gonna move my stops to break even like this. Everything happens so quick. So I have break even for this challenge right now, so we're just gonna let the rules play out. Let me show y'all what I'm basically looking at. So overall on the daily time frame, we're overall bullish. I look to get for a potential trend. We're overall bullish with the cycle. So we flushed under the MAs, and what we had here was basically price moved higher, paused against the MAs, and I'm continuing a move. I'm expecting a continuation higher basically. So if we go on the 1 hour time frame, which would be the context time frame for a 1 minute entry, we had the same thing. We flushed and we're starting to move. We go on like a 6 minute, 5 minute. What we have here is we have a move. We have one. This is our validation. We have 1, 2, potentially 3, and a 4th. So it's good to take an entry. Then we go on the 5 minute. Instead of consolidating, we have a nice range. We just move down nicely and we just create the setup immediately, which is what I was talking about. And I just break even immediately at a 1-to-1. So the management I've been testing right now, which was actually really good, was just trailing it with the full position, not taking any partials, because I noticed in the long run I would make way more money if I just trail with the 10 and close the trade if it's at least a 2R. So if it closes above like at least a 2R, I'll close the trade. And it's similar to what I used to do of waiting for 3 candles on the validation time frame, because if you look at these streams, this will be the first candle, this will be the second candle, and wherever the third candle closes, if it's at least above a 2R, take the partial. I noticed it's similar to basically trailing with the 10, which can make even more profit depending, especially if I'm holding the full position. So I'm gonna hold the full position. My goal is just to close it, particularly if it gets to that basically 10% mark, because at that point I would have passed phase 1. Wow. Let me get close. Challenge is so close there. I took the same type of entry for my challenge yesterday for gold. Oh, the equity is at no way. Y'all saw that, bruh. I missed it by a little bit. Wow. I missed it by a little bit. It's okay. I'm done. I'm gonna just have to show up another time because, wow. That's completely my fault on that, because I just saw it get hit, because I was like, I calculated 13,000, I needed to close it at 13,600. I needed to close it at yeah, I counted 13,000, but I did see it, and I was like, oh shoot, is there? And then it like pulled back a decent amount. So my plan is basically, what I'm gonna do is tomorrow I'm gonna actually look for another setup, because I'm actually done for the day. And plus, for my own funded accounts, what I was waiting for was I'm gonna end up ending the live stream, and then I'm gonna show up tomorrow, show you my funded account, show y'all that I stayed disciplined and I didn't trade outside of the stream, because that's the purpose of this. And yeah,